Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ahrefs Webmaster Tools to grow traffic and income. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, first, navigate to the Ahrefs website. Click on the Webmaster Tools option in the main menu. You will need to sign up for a free account if you haven't done so already. After signing up, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to add your website. Enter your website URL in the designated field. Choose your verification method to confirm ownership of the site. You can opt for either HTML tag, DNS record, or Google Analytics verification. For the HTML tag method, copy the provided meta tag. Next, head to your website's HTML code and paste the tag in the head section. If you prefer the DNS method, add the given TXT record to your DNS settings. Alternatively, if you're using Google Analytics, confirm that you're signed in to the correct account. After successfully verifying your website, you can access a range of tools and reports. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. You'll find options for site audit, organic search traffic, and keyword analysis. Using the Site Audit tool, you can identify areas for improvement. This tool will provide insights into your website's performance and SEO issues. Next, utilize the Organic Search Traffic Report to understand your current rankings. This report will show you which keywords are driving traffic to your site. To grow your traffic, focus on optimizing for high-potential keywords. Use Ahrefs Keyword Explorer to research new keyword opportunities. Find keywords that have a good search volume and manageable competition. Incorporate these keywords into your content strategy. Regularly monitor your progress using the tools provided. Adjust your strategy based on the insights you gain from Ahrefs. With consistent effort and the right use of Ahrefs tools, you can enhance your website's traffic and income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.